Namaste viewers, welcome to Gnana Degula channel. In this episode, let us try to understand the meaning of Nakṣatra from the astrological and astronomic point of view. Let us go through that. We are going through a series of videos on astronomy, astrology. So let us try to understand this concept of Nakṣatra, how Nakṣatra is visualized in astrology. But before we go to the details, I request you to please like, share and then subscribe to my channel. Please go through the video completely and then post your comments in the comment box. With this, we'll continue with this Nakṣatra. Nakṣatra is a very profound and a very essential concept in Jyotishya shastra, or what we call Vedic astrology. This Nakṣatra word is derived from two Sanskrit words. Nakṣa means to approach or to map. Nakṣa. Nakṣa, what we call. And tra means instrument or protector. So, Nakṣatra literally means mapping of the heavens or mapping of a star cluster that guides or protects, mapping that. That is Nakṣatra. In Jyotisha shastra, the Nakṣatra represents a lunar mansion, lunar house, what we call. One of the 27 divisions, sometimes 28 is also called, is there. It is called as Abhijit Nakṣatra. This 27 divisions of the celestial belt through which the moon appears to travel. It's not actually traveling because of the rotation of the earth. The moon appears to travel during its monthly orbit around this earth. This is what it is. The moon completes one full revolution around the earth in about 27.3 days. This has been calculated from ancient immemorial times. It is there. During this journey, it passes through 27 equal segments of the Zodiac. If you divide this 360 into 27 parts, each part will be measuring out 13 degrees 20 seconds. So this is the amount of journey. In the 1/27th part of the Zodiac. So now moon is rotating. This is 360 degrees, one full round. This consists of 360 degrees divided by 27. It comes to around 13 degrees 20 seconds. So that segment of this 27, that is 13 degrees 20 seconds, the moon travels and the star which is there, that corresponds to that position. So each of these segments, 27 segments, are associated with a group of stars, constellation, which we call a Nakṣatra. Group, it represents different groups, which we call them as Nakṣatra. So, in simple terms, as the moon travels through the sky, it spends say about one day in each Nakṣatra. 27 Nakṣatra, each day it spends. The 27 Nakṣatras in sequence, they are Ashwini, Bharani, Kritika, Rohini, Mrugashira, Ardra, Punarvasu, Pushya, Ashlesha, Magha, Purva Phalguni, Uttara Phalguni, Hasta, Chitta, Swati, Vishakha, Anuradha, Jyeshta, Moola, Purvashada, Uttarashada, Shravana, Dhanishta, Shatabisha, Purvabhadra, Uttarabhadra and Revati. These are the 27 nakshatras. We have put all these things in our description box. When you go through the video, you can see the description box, and then all whatever that we have said, it is there in the description box. And there is one more nakshatra called as Abhijit Nakshatra. It is between Uttara Ashada and the Shravana Nakshatra. It is included as the 28th nakshatra, sometimes, not ever. So this is that. Now, each nakshatra is ruled by a devata, by a preceding deity, by a main deity and a planetary lord. Each nakshatra is ruled by one god, one planetary lord. And this reflects a specific cosmic vibration or energy pattern. This energy pattern that influences human life and behavior. This is how it is thought over. For example, Ashwini Nakshatra, it is ruled by twin horsemen. That is Ashwini Kumaras. They represent health and other things, medicine. So Ashwini Kumaras represents healing and swiftness. Ashwini. Now Rohini is ruled by Prajapati, that is Brahma himself. It symbolizes growth, fertility, beauty, all those kinds of things. If you take Moola Nakshatra, it is ruled by Nirutti. Nirutti, it is called as goddess of dissolution, representing uprooting and transformation. Moola Nakshatra. So the nakshatras are not just astronomical divisions. They are, you can call them as spiritual frequencies of the cosmos. They shape the time, emotional destiny. This is how it is to be understood. Now, what is the role of these nakshatras in astrology? They play a vital role in all branches of Jyotisha. Let us see a few of them. In the birth chart, Janma Nakshatra, the nakshatra in which the moon is placed at the time of birth is called the Janma Nakshatra. It defines a person's mind, nature, and emotional pattern, birth chart, in the birth chart. In the Muhurta, what we call auspicious timings to do certain things, Selection of a good or bad nakshatra helps determine auspicious times for marriage, travel, and rituals. So many things, good things. Housewarming, all those things. There is one more thing known as Dasha system. That is Vimshottari Dasha. Each nakshatra governs a specific period of life which determines when planetary influences become active. So this is Dasha system. The next one is compatibility. This compatibility is Nakshatra Milan, they call it as. It is used to assess compatibility in marriage by comparing the nakshatra of both partners, the boy and the girl. So, now what is the modern perspective, scientific perspective? Modern science does not endorse all astrological interpretations. The nakshatra system is at the most astronomically accurate system. But see, the nakshatra system is astronomically accurate. It is based on real star positions along the ecliptic. But the modern science, does not, it doesn't say anything about that. The accuracy of these astronomical positions, it doesn't speak of that. Anyway, But ancient Vedic seers observed the sky for centuries and developed this as a lunar calendar system far more detailed than the 12 solar sign system, solar Rashi system. It is far more accurate, far more developed, far more precise. So, nakshatras represent the finest measurement of time based on the moon's motion. Nakshatras are a bridge between astronomy and spirituality, translating cosmic motion into human experience. So, essentially, nakshatras are the heartbeat of Vedic astrology, luminous stations of the moon that reflect the rhythm of cosmic intelligence in the human soul. So, they connect Kala, time, Desha, space, Karma, action. These three things, Kala, Desha, and Karma, time, space, and action, guiding us to live in harmony with the universal order. Viewers, with this explanation on this nakshatras, we conclude this episode. I hope this was quite interesting and then very useful to you. Please go through the video completely and then post your comments in the comment box on the quality of the presentation. Thank you, viewers, for your valuable time in listening to this. Thank you. We shall meet in our next videos. Thank you.